It's that time of year, isn't it? Those official looking envelopes in the mail from banks, brokerages, and your employer, and any other place you may have investments. This is the year you get your taxes done early. No April 14th scrambling. No filing extensions, you say. But you did say that last year, didn't you? This is the year you vow to get them done by the end of January. Okay, February at the latest. Good luck with that. If you're like some of us, or should I say most of us, when you finally initiate the procedure, and yes, it is a procedure, maybe not medical, but it still feels like it. And I bet some of you have a little anesthesia standing by, if you know what I mean. And I mean some Boston Lager or Heineken Zero just to get in character. Whenever you decide to turbo them or send them off to your tax guy, what do you need to collect and have on hand to start? Well, before you start scrambling and sorting every stack of old mail, every file where you could have possibly hidden a 1099, or every drawer where a W-2 may lurk, here's a rundown of what to hunt for. First, the easy stuff, and you already know this, your Social Security number, as well as your spouse's. Same for the kids if you've got them. Bank routing and account numbers if you're getting a refund by direct deposit. Next up, your sources of income. If you're an employee, well, that's a W-2. And if you're self-employed, look for a 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation, and gather any other records of income and expenses. If you took any retirement plan distributions such as pensions, IRAs, or annuity income, track down the 1099-Rs. Social Security income, well, that'll be a SSA 1099. Got any investment accounts or accounts that earn interest or dividends? Be on the lookout for a 1099-B, a 1099-DIV, or a 1099-INT. The B stands for broker and barter exchange. I'm not sure how much bartering is going on these days. Maybe. But your broker will send one that includes capital gains and losses. The INT and the DIV, you've probably got that one figured out. Interest income and dividend income. Hey, did you sell your home or any other real estate? 1099-S is your target. There are a lot more 1099 iterations. So if you see a 1099 on it, you better keep it. All right, then collect your documents for deductions and credits. Docs like retirement plan and IRA contributions, donations to charity, mortgage and property tax records, health care expenses, child care or dependent care expenses, documents from side gigs and self-employment. And are you keeping these? Mileage logs? And any other records of deductible office expenses. And certainly income and expense records that could go along there too. This list is certainly not exhaustive. It's intended to jog your mind and wrestle away the inertia, the resistance that keeps you from taking care of the tax man. And may just keep you from filing another extension this year.